Okay, this is a quick demo on this IEC 104 demo. Okay, using our gateway KGW3204A. Okay, gateway unit. Okay, so this is the physical layout. Okay, so I have my laptop over here reaching out to this KGW unit. Okay, and it's actually looping back with a serial communication RS232. Okay, convert to a USB to COM9. Okay, so this is actually the established before I do this video, I already established this configuration whereby we have this Modbus Pro client, TCP/IP client, reach out to this gateway. Okay, and at a port number of 502. Okay, and this is COM9 serial communication. Okay, and it's actually polling to a Modbus RTU slave. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so this is one active poll. Okay, so whatever data they pull over here, you will diligently copy and paste to this gateway buffer, and at the same time, there will be another independent active polling, okay, from the Modbus TCP/IP client there. But instead of reaching out directly to the Modbus RTU slave, it actually only reach out up to the gateway, which is again another copy and paste technique approach to get the data to here. Okay, so the focus I already done this already. Okay, so but the focus of this video today is I'm going to hook up another client, okay, which is the IEC 104 over here. And I try to create another port number of 2404 and have another round of individual active poll again. Okay, so basically there will be 3 active polling running independently. Okay, and this guy will also extracting the same data from here. Okay, so let's try to do this configuration now. Okay, so let me sort of keep this here, and yeah, this is the laptop I'm referring to. Okay, so this is the, okay, let me see if I can bring this to yeah, let me see if I can bring this to here. Okay, so now this software is actually this Modbus Pro, and this is the Modbus slave over here, which is the yellow one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is if I change the value of maybe over here. Okay, so now the value is tally. Okay, let's say I change the by the way, it's configured as 15 point. How do I do that? Is right click and change the format to 32-bit floating point. Okay, bit India. Okay, so you should get to see this. Okay, let me change the value of the maybe to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.45678, and if you see this, when I change this, this will also update automatically. Okay, so back to my my motive today is I'm going to set up another client over here. Okay, instead of using Modbus protocol, I'm using this IEC 140. Okay, reach out to this same buffer memory which contain the information of this and extract it out over here. Okay, I'm using the software called DemoWinPP104. Okay, so before I do that, let's set up the configuration. Okay, so okay, this is the configuration. Okay, the existing configuration. Okay, so you expect to see a client over here. Okay, let me try to online now. See if I can online. And yeah, so yeah, 123.456. You get to see this value over here. Okay, so this is the serial communication. Okay, a client. Okay, I'm going to add and this is the existing Modbus Pro Modbus Pro server, Modbus server. Sorry. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click and add a new server, and this round I'm going to add it as IEC 104 server. Press OK. Okay, and yeah, so double click this. I think there's nothing much to change here. Okay, let's do it one by one. Double click this. Okay, put up a right click and put new. Okay, select network port. Okay, and the port mode select TCP IP slave, okay, and change this to 2404, which is the standard port number for IEC 104, okay, and press OK. Okay, next thing I want to do now is I go to this, let me check this, the protocol, okay, let's leave it as default, okay, and okay, right click and add a new dialog, okay, just press OK. Now the interesting part is let's create a forward analog input, right click and create new point. So total I got 10 point over there, so I will so let's go to reach out to the client and COM1, okay, and click the respective analog, okay, and press OK. Okay, we should able to see this, okay. So the next thing I want to do is I go to the IO, okay, this is the common address section, okay, I'm going to make this different index point, okay, index by 1, so you get to see this one. Okay, the other thing is this is the ASDU type. Okay, let me change this properly to floating point, okay, which is short floating point over here. And yeah, so yeah, that's all in my own opinion. Okay, let's save this program and download it. Okay, project 10. Okay, so I need to reach out to the web page. Okay, this is the web page. Okay, admin, then followed by the password. Very long password, by the way. Go to this data, go to protocol, go to this project protocol, and restart the so-called runtime again. So okay, certain thing drop. Okay, no, I don't want to reboot. It's in progress. Okay, let's double check this again. Okay, so I already configure the IEC. Let me go back to the picture again. So all my earlier effort, I already configured this 2404. So now I'm going to open this software and try to reach out to here. But before I do that, let me verify this and this is still functioning properly. Okay, okay, this seems to be okay. Okay, let's reconnect up this. Okay, and it seems to be working. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try the other way around. 6 5 4 3 2 1, and yeah, so almost immediately, instantly, this guy get updated. Okay, now the essential part today is let's open up the demo WinPP104. Okay, and okay, let's go to the parameter and set the IP address. Okay, so I am reaching out to the IP address of .0.249. Okay, my current IP address is actually this guy over here. Okay, select the correct master to client features and press OK. So let's disconnect and connect again, and you should get to see this connect button over here. Okay, and yeah, that's all. Okay, so the configuration is I'm going to change the value. So I'm expecting a update from here. Okay, let's try changing this value. Okay, let's change this value maybe to 888.888. Okay, enter. Okay, so let me see if there's an update or not. Okay, there's no update. Okay, let me see if there's an update. Okay, no update. Okay, so to trigger this update, I think I need to go to send message and select number 9. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of activity. Okay, let's try again. Okay, by changing this maybe to 77.77. Let's try. So yeah, so immediately you get to see this update data over here. Okay, and unfortunately you don't see the timestamp. Okay, I am expecting the timestamp, but it's not getting the timestamp. I do get a timestamp here, but this timestamp is indicating when this guy is receiving. Okay, let's try. I think there's a configuration that I overlooked to add the timestamp. Okay, let's try the timestamp thing. Let's go to here. Okay, see if I overlook the timestamp. Oh, there's a time tag over here. Which I overlooked to turn on. Okay, let's try to turn it on and modify and turn it on. Okay, and save this project and download. Okay, then again. Okay, and download. Okay, the a bit troublesome is I need to go to the web page and reactivate this program again, which is project 10. Okay, and yeah, so there will be a disconnection of the server again. Okay, it's okay, let's reconnect it back. Okay, so this look decent. Okay, I will not try to test this again. Okay, now let's change the value again. Okay, this time let's change this value, maybe 333.333. Okay, see whether it changes. Okay, good. There are some activity, but is it changing? I don't get it. Okay. Okay, let's try to send the message 9 again. Okay, and yep, so it's been sent. Okay, let's try changing this value again. Okay, let's change this value to maybe 2222. Okay, and yeah, so this is the changes that we are expecting. Okay, and this round, okay, the difference is it actually come with a timestamp. Okay, it actually come with a timestamp. Okay, okay, another way to benefit this is I can always open up this check GTP. Okay, what I can do is I can do a copy and paste the whatever value over here. Okay, paste it and ask the AI to decode this in details. And so let me change. So yeah, so the header is time captured, the duration, the layer look decent. Okay, so the interesting part will be at object ID 36, which is the short floating point. Okay, with timestamp. Okay, and yeah, the type of response that you're expecting is spontaneous, if I pronounce it correctly, which is event driven. Okay, then and the station ID, which is 1. Okay, so here are more detailed information, and it's coming from IOA4. Okay, yeah, with the decent timestamp over here. Okay, so with this I end my presentation. Thank you.